Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Celebrity Edge, which was released in 2020, the first of the Edge-class ships. Our cruise departed from Seattle for a 7-night trip to Alaska, but we are focusing our review on the ship and not shore excursions. So this review should help you decide whether the Celebrity Edge or any of their Edge-class ships could be the right ship for you, regardless of your itinerary. Embarkation. Our embarkation was straightforward on this trip, but always check your email to ensure there is no change to your embarkation location, which was the case with us on our last cruise. Celebrity's check-in process is quick and efficient. Your luggage is taken from you outside. You then pass through security and check-in, showing your boarding pass and passport. Once you board the ship, you head straight to your room where you can deposit your carry-ons and pick up your cruise cards. Your luggage is delivered to your room within an hour or two after you board, where it will be left just outside your stateroom door. Stateroom tour. We had a veranda stateroom with an infinity balcony. The room was absolutely gorgeous. As soon as you walk in the room, you are met with a floor-to-ceiling view to the outside. That's because infinity balconies are actually inside the room, adding extra square footage to your room. The control button by the window allows you to lower the upper part of the window and look outside. And at night, you lower a metallic shade to provide total darkness to your room. 2 balcony chairs are set up in the area of the indoor balcony. Because the balcony is now inside your room, adding usable extra space, the room feels really spacious. And because the room is fairly new, the linens and soft furnishing look crisp and fresh, with a modern nautical vibe. The room is furnished with a comfortable king bed, a couch, small desk, a set of drawers, and a chargeable minibar. Next to the desk is a charging station providing both 220 and 110-volt sockets and 2 USB ports. On one side of the bed, there is also a 110-volt socket and 2 USB ports. A closet provides some hanging space, as well as a few small pull-out drawers. And right next to the closet, there is additional storage space with hidden doors that open up, revealing cubbyholes and shelves. Your suitcases will easily fit right under the bed once you've unpacked. My only disappointment with the room was the size of the safe inside the room. It does not fit a laptop. It will fit your small valuables, but nothing more. The bathroom looks modern and is definitely more spacious than Celebrity's older ships. The sink is larger with a drawer underneath for a hairdryer and extra towels. The shower is also larger because we had been upgraded to concierge class. We received Bigelow toiletries, which were really nice and smelled great. We were really excited to start exploring the ship, since this was our first time on an Edge-class ship. We headed to the pools and outdoor spaces first. Pools and outdoor spaces. The pool deck has a 25-yard lap pool featuring in-pool loungers. Surrounding the pool are more loungers. Towels and blankets are available in towel stands placed around the pool deck. 2 hot tubs are located overlooking the pool from above. Celebrity calls these martini hot tubs because of their martini glass shape. Just off the pool deck is a striking walkway with extra feet cabanas to one side. To the other side is the Magic Carpet Lounge, which we'll talk about later. If you'd prefer an indoor pool, the solarium is located right next to the pool deck. The solarium is climate-controlled, so is always pleasant regardless of the weather. It is adults only, has plenty of comfortable loungers, and besides a pool, has a hot tub too. Rooftop garden. The rooftop garden replaces the lawn club you'll find on Celebrity's older Solstice-class ships. The rooftop garden is a strikingly beautiful outdoor space with large sculptural fixtures. Comfortable couches and lounge chairs, along with more functional benches, are the seating choices. A large screen is set up for movies. Jogging track. The jogging track on the Edge spans 2 decks and is a great way to get some early morning walking in. You can also get fantastic views from here. Indoor spaces for relaxation. Eden replaces the sky observation on Celebrity's Solstice-class ships. It is located at the back of the ship, with light streaming through the 3-story high wall of windows overlooking the ocean. The space is carved up into an evening restaurant, a bar, a cafe, and multiple small seating areas where you can enjoy the views. It is a quiet area of the ship, except when live performances or activities are taking place. Grand Plaza. At the heart of the ship is the gorgeous 3-story Grand Plaza with plenty of seating. The specialty restaurants, the Martini Bar and Café El Bacio, are all located here too. This is where most people want to gather, especially when there is live music being performed. Dining. Celebrities' reputation as having the best food of any large cruise line is well-deserved. From the buffet, to main dining, to specialty dining, the food is really good. The Ocean View Cafe. Ocean View Cafe serves very good buffet meals at breakfast, lunch and dinner with various made-to-order selections as well, such as eggs and stir-fry. You will always find staples such as salads, fruits, pastas, and breads, in addition to constantly changing dishes, so you never get bored. The Indian food is flavorful, and the carvery changes with roast beef, lamb, and turkey being offered. Cheeses include Port Salut and Society Roquefort, served with Kara's water biscuits. There is a separate vegan station and some gluten-free options for breads and desserts. The pizza station, which is located at the back of the Ocean View Cafe, is constantly making fresh pizza, so it is always hot and delicious. If you bring your own ingredients from the buffet, they will make you a custom pizza. The desserts always look beautiful, with many different choices to select from. Also located in the Ocean View Cafe is Scoops, where you can get great ice cream. Il Secondo Bacchio is located here too for takeaway espresso drinks. The espresso drinks are chargeable. Main dining. When Celebrity designed the Edge, it introduced 4 smaller main dining rooms, each with a different theme. The menus are almost identical, with the only difference being select regional specialties each restaurant offers. Cyprus specializes in Greek and Mediterranean food, focusing on seafood. Decorated in blues, the restaurant evokes the sea. Normandy features contemporary French cuisine in a beautiful dining room with modern balloon chairs in light pinks and neutrals. Tuscan Restaurant focuses on Italian cuisine in a modern dining room decorated in a whimsical yellow, black, and white color scheme. Cosmopolitan features American cuisine with a hint of global influences. Decorated in neutral tones and crystal lighting, the dining room is light and bright. You can order off of any menu, regardless of which restaurant you are dining in. The meals and service in main dining are both very good. We particularly enjoyed the shrimp cocktail, the pork chop, and the Greek dessert. Blue and Lumine. If you are an Aqua Class guest, you have the option of eating your meals at Blue, which features healthier cuisine. Guests staying in suites can eat at Lumine, a stunning restaurant with daily changing menus. Other included eateries. Eden has a small cafe that is open for a light breakfast and snacks on sea days. You can get breakfast sandwiches, muesli, fruit bowls, oatmeal, and more. We enjoyed the bear claw and cinnamon roll there. The Spa Cafe is located next to the solarium, serving light bites. Juices are extra. For a quick lunch, head poolside to the Mast Grill, which serves hot dogs, hamburgers, fries, and self-serve ice cream. For coffee and pastries, head to Café El Bacio in the Grand Plaza. Pastries are free, but you will have to pay for the espresso drinks unless you have a drink package, which includes specialty coffees. Specialty dining. The Edge has many specialty dining opportunities. During cold weather cruises, not all outdoor restaurants may actually be in service on your cruise. Always check for discounts on board, which you can oftentimes get on days the ship is in port. You might be able to get 30% off, or sometimes even 50%, if the restaurant is not booked. Eden Restaurant. Eden has the reputation for being the best specialty dining on the Edge, and we loved it. It was the best meal we have had while cruising and certainly had the most beautiful of the dining rooms. We ate there our last evening when Eden was offering 50% off. I had shrimp for a starter, followed by lobster for a main, and finished off with a chocolate dessert. When we returned to our cabin, a small box of handmade chocolates were waiting from us from Eden. Fine Cut Steakhouse. The steakhouse was definitely the most popular restaurant on our cruise and was usually fully booked. So plan ahead and book early if you want to eat here. La Grande Bistro and La Petite Chef. La Grande Bistro is lunch only and serves traditional French café food such as baguettes and coq au vin. It turns into La Petite Chef at night, an immersive 3D dining experience where an animated chef creates each course virtually before your waiter delivers the cooked course to your table. Rooftop Bar and Grill. The Rooftop Bar and Grill is outside on the rooftop terrace. It serves American classics such as ribs and brisket, but was not open for meals on our cruise. Magic Carpet. The Magic Carpet is a cantilevered floating platform attached to the side of the ship. It moves between the floors and acts as an open-air restaurant and bar. On our cruise, it did not serve dinner and remained on the pool deck level, where the bar was occasionally open. Raw on 5. Raw on 5 is a sushi restaurant with a beautiful display of fresh seafood and champagne at the entrance. Drinking. The place to drink is definitely the energetic martini bar in the Grand Plaza. The bartenders keep the audience enthralled with juggling acts, especially when there is live music. If you want a quieter place to have a drink, head to the Eden Bar. The Eden Bar hosts the Extra Fee Mixology class, where you learn to create 3 different cocktails. The casino has its own bar, where you can gamble while you drink or just chill. You can also enjoy a drink at the club, which hosts dancing in the evening and games throughout the day. Outside, you can head to the Sunset Bar at the back of the boat. Or poolside, you can go to the Casual Pool Bar. The Magic Carpet, right next to the pool, is lovely to sit at and have a drink while enjoying some of the best views of the ocean. Entertainment. Entertainment on the Edge is really quite good and is a noticeable improvement over the entertainment on the cruise we took to Antarctica on Celebrity's Eclipse. The theater hosts great daytime enrichment lectures, which focus on your port destinations. During the evening, entertainment in the theater ranged from excellent musical shows with amazing acrobatics and LED screens lighting up the productions to comedy nights that were very good. The club hosts daytime games and quizzes, and activities continue straight into the evening with dancing, as well as ABBA and Queen sing-alongs. Dancing is by far the most popular event held in the club. Gambling in the casino picks up at nighttime with poker, slot machines, and craps amongst the choices. Finally, music can be found in various venues throughout the ship, such as the Grand Plaza and Eden. Most of the live music was very good. Spa. The spa provides a full spa menu with massages, body wraps, and facials. Its thermal suite, the Persian Garden, is available by the day and has such elements as heated beds, a sauna, a steam room, and a salt room. Fitness Center. You can work out at the fitness center and enjoy amazing views of the ocean at the same time. All the equipment you'd expect, including machines and weights, are here. Shopping. The Edge has a range of shopping, providing everything from souvenirs to watches and jewelry. Pre-owned designer bags from Louis Vuitton and Hermes can also be purchased. Kids Club. The Camp at Sea is the kids club for your young ones. There are enrichment activities, games, and more, all supervised. Teens are catered for at the basement, with games, music, socializing space, and more. So who is this cruise ship for? The Edge is perfect for just about everyone. On our cruise, there were guests of all ages on board. Families, couples, and solo travelers were all present on board and catered for. The Edge will particularly appeal to those looking for really good cruise food, and those who are looking for a cruise ship with an updated design. I would definitely book another cruise on the Edge. So that wraps up our review of the Edge. We hope we have helped you decide whether this ship might be the right one for you. And if so, please subscribe to our video. We release new content weekly, so we hope to see you back soon.